Warning: always wear proper personal protective equipment when operating Appion products. Appion's AV760 full-range vacuum gauge has been a staple in quality evacuation for years. Other vacuum gauges begin measuring at 25,000 microns or less, only showing the last 3% of an evacuation. The AV760 allows for unparalleled full-range measurement from atmosphere to 1 micron. This gives you the ability to monitor vacuum pump oil condition and immediately detect a leak during the entire evacuation process and decay test. This 100% evacuation visibility is amplified with the AV760's high-resolution mode. In high-resolution mode, measurements from atmosphere to 15,000 microns are displayed in 50 micron increments, and measurements from 15,000 microns to 1 micron are displayed within an ultrafine 1 micron resolution to ensure maximum accuracy and faster diagnostics. Along with total evacuation visibility, you can evacuate with confidence that the results are accurate. Each AV760 gauge is 10-point vacuum verified against a NIST-certified vacuum gauge before leaving the production line. Hyper-accurate, full-range measurements are shown through the AV760's large, easy-to-read backlit display with battery life, auto power off, and Bluetooth indicators. This display also grants you access to a myriad of units of measurement, including microns, inches of mercury, millitorr, pounds per square inch absolute, kilopascal, and millibar. The AV760's sensor housing features a 3-stage filter system with a ball check valve to mitigate sensor damage from accidental oil slugging. In the event that oil finds its way into the sensor cavity, the sensor housing has a replaceable oil protection catch filter and a cleanable sensor. As an extra level of protection, the AV760 is built to withstand an accidental overpressure of up to 400 psi. All of these features are bundled into a rugged, rubberized, water-resistant, IP65-rated protective housing, able to withstand abuse, dust, and light rain. Pair the AV760 with the Appion Central app to unlock its full potential. Additional features include remote viewing of real-time readings, notifications from custom alarms when readings move beyond predetermined thresholds, data logging, and real-time system decay test analysis. You can even monitor multiple AV760s at once for advanced system analysis, and export your findings for record-keeping and reporting purposes. With the AV760's 100% evacuation visibility, verifiable accuracy, rugged durability, and advanced functionality when combined with the Appion Central app, you'll be able to better understand and diagnose the evacuation process. To get your AV760 full-range vacuum gauge, visit your preferred local distributor.